Dear student, class 8, look, today I am discussing about the chapter 10, uh, social problem of Bangladesh. We already told you the previous lecture what is social problem, who are the juvenile delinquent, and drug addiction, effect of drug addiction. So today I review it. Social problem exists in the society. It creates adverse effects on the people. Few people take collective effort to solve the problem, to save the people. There are many social problems in Bangladesh, so we can say what is social problem. Social problem exists in the society. It creates adverse effects on the people, and few people take collective effort to save the people. Then the idea and causes of juvenile delinquency. Different of offense committed either by the immature boy and girls or the juvenile are called juvenile delinquency. What do you mean by juvenile delinquency, or what is juvenile delinquency? Different offenses committed either by the immature boys and girls or the juvenile are called juvenile delinquency. The age range of juvenile offenders in Bangladesh 7 to 16, India and Sri Lanka. Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka 7 to 16. The age range of juvenile offenders in Pakistan, Thailand 7 to 18 years. In Japan, the age range of juvenile delinquents or offenders is 14 to 20 years. What type of activity they actually done? Failing from the home, adopting unfair means in the examination, unruly activities in school or on road, pickpocketing, beating, bombing, breaking vehicles, traveling without ticket like train journey, like bus journey, throwing acid, torturing women, watching obscene film. Juvenile become offenders for different reasons. Very important. I actually discuss the key words of this chapter. Poverty is the main reason of juvenile offense in our country. Very important. Look, inability of the parents to spare time for their children or give attention to them owing to their extreme business at their workplace or outside. Many young boys and girls become offenders for want of proper recreation. So, recreation is very important for juveniles. On the other hand, those who are deprived of these facilities seek other paths to get rid of mental dissatisfaction. Very important. There are slums in different parts and industrial areas of the towns. The slum environment and many bad incidents of that place make the children offenders. The young children of the slum also get involved with offenses due to bad company and poverty. Very important for your MCQ. Physical or mental problem or deformity creates inferiority complex in the mind of the children. Other reason, the children of those parents who frequently change their workplace cannot cope with a new environment each time. So at present, another type of new juvenile offense is seen in the society due to abuse of mobile and internet. The effect and the prevention of juvenile offense: stealing, pickpocketing, traveling by train without ticket, this type of activity. patch of family with such juvenile offenders is disturbed. Recently, if teaching by juvenile offenders increasing in all places in both town and village. The institutional education of the girls is sometimes closed due to the torture of the degraded juveniles. Preventive measures. Tendency, very very important. Tendency of juvenile offence is increasing in Bangladesh. Consciousness and responsibility of guardians. If the parents and elderly person of the family remain conscious of the type of tendency of juvenile it causes and remedies, it can easily keep juvenile away from doing any offense. Socio-economic program. The poverty of the family is a main reason of committing offense by the juvenile. So we have to ensure employment opportunity of the parents and development of economic condition of the parent must be ensured. Very very important. Education opportunity. All children and juvenile must be brought under the primary secondary education. Recreation. It is necessary to build, very very important, a library and gymnasium in every area and mohalla for mental development of the children and juveniles. Apart from all the activities mentioned above, the children and juvenile must be kept away from doing bad activities. Child labor should be forbidden. Lesson 3. The concept and causes of drug addiction. Drug addiction begins by mixing with the drug addict friends. Very very important. The juvenile, this line read more and more times, several times you have to read this line. The juveniles take drug being instigated by friends only to momentary excitement. They do this without knowing anything about the harmful effects of drug. Later on, this becomes the cause of their death. The juveniles are by nature curious. As a result, many started to take drug only out of curiosity. The juveniles sometimes steal beer and cigarette from the pocket of their father and elderly person only to satisfy their curiosity. Very very important. The influence of bad culture in another main reason of drug addiction. A group of juveniles are being misguided, lost due to clash of two different cultures. Lesson 4. Look, the impact and prevention of drug addiction. Drug addiction has now become a frightening problem in our social life. Very very important. Its effect in our social religious life is also very serious. Sometimes when children's naturally curious and they steal their father's cigarette and elders brothers or elder person's cigarette, and they want to taste it, and at a time they involve it, and their bad company. Sometimes some juvenile involved through their bad company. A drug addict may suffer from physical disease such as heart disease, TB, tuberculosis, cancer, asthma. His mental health also become very weak for this. Actually, their organ is very weaker than the strong person. The drug addicts suffer from frustration and inferiority complex. Their attitude very abnormal. They not only do their own harm, but they cause chaos in the society, being the victim of timidity, anxiety, and excitement. And they want to, when he or she involved in this bad habit, and they want to more and more drugs. And after, if he did not get it, and they creates uh, very anxiety and very excitement, and show very excitement, create a quarrel with families, and robbery with bank or other other organization, and hijacking, snatching money from passerby on the passerby on the road. The effect of drugs also create different complex problem in family. The peace and happiness of the whole family is disturbed by this. There is always quarrel in the family of a drug addict child. That family does not have any respect from the neighbors. Actually, drug addict, the neighbors are hated to the drug addict's family. The family often becomes ruined for arranging money to buy drugs. Beside incident like murder, suicide, fleeing from home, or getting lost also happen. The incident like stealing, robbery, hijacking, killing, murdering frequently happen in that country where drugs are easily available, because the drug trafficking channel is very easy to get the drugs. Already Bangladesh is connected in this route. Laos, Myanmar, this is the easy way to come to come the drugs item. Drugs addiction must be resisted and controlled with a view to saving the person of the society from the bad sides of drugs. Following measures may be taken for this. Preventive steps. Preventive steps are most fruitful in the resistance of drugs. For this, emphasis should be given on moral education. Actually, we have to emphasis on moral education, because we are far from our moral education. And as a result, our child and juveniles are involved in this bad type of habit. The parents and elderly person of the family should play an active role to teach children religious and moral values from their early age. The harmful sides of drugs and all religious restriction to this effect must be informed to everybody. In fine, anti-drug awareness and social movement must be built through religious education and other means. We have to emphasis on moral education and counseling on the of the drug addicted child. At local level, religious institutions such as the mosque, temple, and the socio-cultural and sports organization like club, society can play a significant role to resist drug addiction. Apart from teaching moral education, they can make people aware of this bad side of drugs by arranging discussion meeting. They can inspire people, very very important, especially the young people, to follow the promise saying no to drug by arranging different program. Besides anti-drug awareness, awareness can also be created by newspaper, radio, television, cinema, poster, billboard, and leaflet. Many NGO already working on this issue, like HASAB, like Ashok. Arrangement must be made for healthy recreation, and infant juveniles must be attracted to this, so that they don't they don't get inclined to drug addiction and other bad habits. Side by side, steps should be taken to stop the production of obscene films, show of pornography. Besides, it is essential to take the following step or addressing drug addiction problem. Look, the production and advertisement of smoking and other intoxicating item must be stopped. Publicity through advertisement at both government and non-government initiative must be made to inform the people about the harmful effects of drug addiction. Alternative employment opportunity must be created for the worker engaged in the production of drug items. The smoking of teachers in front of students should be considered as an offense. The marketing of intoxicating items produced and used as medicine should be controlled. Law of drug addiction control. At present, drug addiction is a dangerously complex problem of Bangladesh. To prevent drug addiction, the government of Bangladesh has signed 3 conventions of the United Nations on Drug Control. The government of Bangladesh has also signed the Anti-Drug SARC Convention in 1990. Very important. The government of Bangladesh has enacted the law on the use of tobacco product last in 2013. And you know, tobacco are abundantly grow in Rangpur district. The law included punishment for the use of tobacco product in public place and public transport. Smoking is treated as a penal offense in the place like office, libraries, lifts, enclosed workplace, hospitals, clinics, airports, river ports, seaports, railway station, bus terminal, cinema hall, exhibition hall, theater hall, shopping complex, restaurant, public toilet, children parks, fairs, waiting spaces for public transports, and place declared necessary by the government. No one can smoke in public places and in public toilet. If anyone violates this law, she will be penalized with money up to 300 taka. If that so how many money accused for this crime? 300 taka. If that person commits the offense for the second time or repeat the same offense, his penalty will seriously be doubled. So we already discussed the very important issue of chapter 10 lesson 4. So now I am discussing about the important CQ. Look, Mr. X brought 3 women of his village with the hope of giving them job. In meantime, when he sold them to an African criminal gangs, he was arrested by police and punished. So at first we want to know we want to know who are juvenile delinquent. So who are juvenile delinquent? You already know. Those between 7 and 16 committing delinquencies are called juvenile delinquents. Next question. Explain the importance of moral education to prevent drug addiction. Actually, moral education is crucial in the fight against drug addiction. Children provided with religious and moral lessons at an early age now about the harmful effects of drugs, they will be able to take part in the social movement and against drug abuse. Number C, which problem to the women of the society has been indicated in the STEM? Explain. Any violence action against women is called violence against women. Many carry out the violence taking the opportunities of women's social and commercial economical weakness. The Convention of the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, is an international treaty adopted in 1979 by the United Nations General Assembly. Violence against women has defined from, for example, violence over dowry, torture, sexual harassment, rape, and acid violence, etc. are violence against women. Trafficking of women is another common form of the violence. Broker lured poor and helpless women of the rural areas into going abroad looking for lucrative job. Most of these women end up in prostitution in different foreign countries like Saudi Arab, Middle East countries. Many of the women from the rural areas are forced to do household work with extremely low wages. As they remain undocumented, they face various types of torture at home. In the STEM, we see Mr. X bring three women from his village to Dhaka, promising them good job, and later sell them to an African human trafficking gang. This is clearly a case of trafficking of women, which is a social problem. Number D. What should be done to control such crimes by the society? Analyzed on the basis of this of the STEM. Women are being tortured from the very beginning of the history in Bangladesh. The rate of the torture has increased in recent years. Women are being harassed on work and at home. They fall victim to harassment, rape, abduction, and acid violence quite often. They suffer from a lack of security. The way of stopping such violence against women are described. The first and foremost way of stopping the violence is women empowerment. Very, very important. What do you mean by women empowerment? Actually, to create participating environment to national economical activities and involve more women. It is called women empowerment. And for that to happen, the government must patronize on female education and ensure employment opportunities for them. Strict law should be enacted and existing ones should be amended to punish those who commit violence against women. Different awareness programs should be initiated to educate people on the issue. These days, women are considered as commodity. Steps should be taken to change this mentality. So we can say that if we take this step, violence against women will disappear.